Welcome to the installation video for your Vela single fixed panel from Glass Warehouse. This installation video will describe two options for installing the fixed panel. Be sure to follow the instructions for the option that best suits your install scenario. To begin, draw a line down the middle of your threshold or acrylic tub where the panel will be installed. This is your center line for the clips. Use a level and mark a line up the wall on the side you wish to place the fixed panel. On your vertical line, mark another line 50 inches up from the bathtub threshold. This is the location for your first wall clip. Now, mark a line 8 inches up from the bathtub threshold for the second wall clip. If the measurement lands on a grout line, you can move the clip up or down so it lands on the tile for easier drilling, less chance of cracked tiles, and more secure fixing. Carefully open the packaging for your glass panel and measure the exact width of your panel. Measure the width of your fixed panel from the wall and subtract 3.5 inches. This is the location for the bottom clip, or rubber block. Mark this location on the threshold. The third clip for the bottom of the panel is optional. If you prefer not to drill into your tub, or if installing on a cast iron tub, we recommend using the rubber block install option instead of using the clip. Use the center line measurement from the wall to find the exact location for your bottom clip or rubber block and mark it on the threshold. If you are drilling directly into your acrylic bathtub, use a 1/8 inch drill bit for the hole in the acrylic bathtub. If the threshold is tiled, use a 1/4 inch tile drill bit. Wipe away all pencil lines prior to installing clips. Unpack your clips and locate the wall anchors. Using a rubber mallet, install the wall anchors. Trim excess from the wall anchors with a utility knife so clips sit flush to the wall. Place wall clips over holes and drill in screws to secure the clips. If the bathtub is fiberglass, use a 1/8 inch drill bit for the third hole. Be sure to put a dab of silicone inside the hole drilled for the bottom clip. You will not use the wall anchor, but rather screw the bottom clip directly into the fiberglass base. If the threshold is tiled, use the same tile drill bit to drill the third hole on the threshold. Install the anchor and trim with the utility knife. Add a dab of silicone to completely seal beneath the clip. Be sure to completely fill this bottom hole to prevent water leakage. Insert the anchor. Make sure the clips are securely tightened. Locate the 1/16 inch thin rubber block and place in the floor clip. Place a 1/8 inch rubber block 3.5 inches in from where the fixed panel and wall meet. This is where the glass panel will sit on the tile or threshold. If using the rubber block option instead of the clip, place a second 1/8 inch rubber block on your second threshold marking. Use packing cardboard on the ground near your installation to protect your glass panel from chipping or breaking. The most fragile parts of tempered glass panels are the corners. Therefore, it is critical the glass never touches the surface you are installing onto. Make sure the glass is always on cardboard packaging or rubber blocks prior to and during the install. Be sure to use 2 people to lift and maneuver the glass panel. Remove corner protectors from the glass panel and position so that the GW stamp is on the lower corner closest to the wall. Carefully place the fixed panel into the 2 wall clips, bottom clip, and onto the rubber block or the 2 blocks if you choose not to use the bottom clip option. Tighten all clip screws lightly. Use a level to make sure the fixed panel is level. If fixed panel is not level, or if the gap in between the wall and the glass is too large, add rubber blocks to fix this issue and level it up. Once level, tighten all clip screws completely. For rubber block install option, make sure glass panel is center of tub, equal distance from front of tub at wall and at outside corner of panel. Trim rubber block or blocks on both sides of the glass panel. Clean the glass panel and wall area prior to applying silicone. Once clean and dry, apply silicone to the outside of the panel from the top down, including around the clips or blocks to ensure a good seal. Once sealed, spray the silicone with water and use a spatula to remove residue and get a smooth, clean silicone finish. Apply silicone to the inside of the panel from the top down, including around the clips or blocks to ensure a good seal. You need to silicone both the inside and the outside edges, ensuring the gap between the glass and tile is completely sealed. Spray the silicone with water and use a spatula to remove any silicone residue. Allow the silicone 24 hours to set and 48 hours to cure. You're all set. Thanks for purchasing your shower and bath products from Glass Warehouse.